This is the Make Your Own Calendar section from Bob Barner's Parade Day, and it's a nonfiction how-to portion of the book. Make your own calendar. Make your own calendar to remind you of special days, such as your birthday, when your vacation starts, or any other days you don't want to forget. Choose a month that is special to you, and follow these directions to make a simple calendar for a month. You may want to have an adult help you. Find the month you have chosen on a new calendar. You will need to use it as a guide. First, draw 6 horizontal lines across the paper that are an equal distance apart. You can use a ruler to measure. Write the name of your month at the top of the sheet. Example, October. Next, draw 6 lines that are vertical and the same space apart. This will give you 7 sections across for the 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. List the days of the week at the top of each box, beginning with Sunday. The instructions continue. Check the calendar you are using as a guide to see which day begins the month. Number the days starting with the number 1 and ending with 28, 29, 30, or 31. Color in your special days with markers or colored pencil, or decorate them with stickers, rubber stampings, glitter, or drawings. Print your special information in the blocks. Every day that passes can be crossed off with a mark, so you can keep track of your month. Put your calendar on the wall or on the refrigerator with a magnet. Check it every day to see when your next special day is coming up. You can make calendars for the other 11 months and have a calendar for the whole year. Here's some more nonfiction calendar information. Also from Bob Barner's Parade Day picture book. Most calendars used today are Gregorian calendars, named for Pope Gregory XIII, 13th, in 1582. This calendar has 365 days and a leap year every 4th year, with 366 days. In our calendar, 1 day equals the amount of time it takes for Earth to turn on its axis. 1 year is equal to the amount of time it takes Earth to orbit the Sun. Our calendar is divided into 12 months containing 52 weeks for a total of 365 days. Each week has 7 days, 5 weekdays, and 2 weekend days. Every 4th year has an extra day in February. These years, with 366 days, are called leap years. Our calendar changes every year. Your birthday may be on a Saturday when you turn 6, but on a Sunday when you turn 7. All calendars aren't like ours. The Chinese calendar has 12 months based on the moon, 6 with 29 days and 6 with 30 days. There are 24 periods of 15 days each, named for the changing seasons. One of them, the walking of insects, begins in March. Chinese New Year is usually in January or February. The Jewish calendar figures days by the sun and months by the moon. The 12 months alternate between 29 and 30 days. Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year, is celebrated in the fall. The Islamic calendar has 354 days and months with 29 or 30 days. A new day begins at sunset. During the 9th month of the Islamic year, Muslims observe Ramadan. While observing Ramadan, Muslims fast during the day and spend less time on everyday things so they can concentrate on worship. There are several Hindu calendars. Most of them have 12 months that have 27 to 31 days each. Each month is measured from full moon to full moon and divided into a dark half and a bright half. The Buddhist calendar calculates the year by the position of the sun in relation to the 12 segments of the heavens, each named for a sign of the zodiac. And the little text box reads as follows. Learn this rhyme to remember the number of days in each month. 30 days hath September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February alone. And that has 28 days clear, and 29 each leap year. That rhyme again is 30 days hath September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February alone. That has 28 days clear, and 29 each leap year. Dun dun da 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 dun dun da da. Woohoo! Enjoy a parade. In January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And that's the end of the nonfiction section of Bob Barner's Parade Day, marching through the calendar year. Here's wishing you a good year.